my name is Chris Wilcox, Univar Solutions, Willow Springs. I'm the maintenance lead for the site. Been here 20 years. So where we are today is hundreds of assets, each with individual work orders, each searchable by many different things. We've done away with the binders. We've done away with data we can't really work with, data that's very hard to work with. We increased our productivity greatly. It's honestly been a success from every angle we could look at it for us. We are fully vested. Our work would be hard to do nowadays without MaintainX.
Basically coming over to maintenance and then having MaintainX rolled out, it was kind of a relief that everything was going to be spelled out right there for me. Say Chris is busy. I can say, oh, what should I be doing now? It doesn't matter. I've got a phone. I look at my phone and here's the list. Here's the list of things that need to be taken care of. I can prioritize myself.
A lot of times the paper data is not helpful. The paper data is really just checking boxes, because how can you go back and do any type of correlation between all that data to draw out some, let's say some commonality downages? How can you do that? It's going to be very hard to do that. MaintainX will do that for me if I ask it to.
So we have our dailies, things that we have to get done, and then there's like the high priority tickets that need to be taken care of. So actually, I'd wake up in the morning before I would even come to work, open up my phone, see what's ahead of me, and I'd be able to plan my day before I even got there.
Building these binders gets old, there's no doubt about it. I mean, you either have 2 big file cabinets full of stuff, or you have 4, 5, 6 binders full of all this data. MaintainX does it for you. It does it for you.
This is really good for me because it holds me to task, keeps me accountable. I can't miss anything. I can't forget to do a job because it's right there for me. So it helps me get through my day quicker.
We have a little bit of a drive to improve. We like to improve, and we've spent time building this MaintainX org that we have, and we're regularly excited about adding stuff to it. Why can I say that? Because it's making things better. It's making equipment last longer. It's making us have less downtime. I can't say enough about the value and what it's giving back to us.